This is where it all started. Rap and Shine back in 2016, and we are now in a completely new era. And this is the upgraded Rap and Shine 2.0. So this is the brand new Secunderabad Rap and Shine studio. Right now we've got three locations in Telangana. We've got one in LB Nagar, Madhapur, and the flagship studio at Secunderabad. This is because of your trust and support that we've come so far. And since 2016, we have been developing a lot of services. So you are already aware of the services we offer. We offer paint protection film. We offer ceramic coating. We offer a basic wash. We offer a detail wash. Moreover, the more new products that we've been updating soon. And how could we forget about the wraps? We have over 1,000 shades of colors. We've tied up with multiple brands. We've got the all new series of color PPF and body wraps, and you can see countless colors available. Every shade you can name of, we have it ready for you here. But well, leaving all the wraps aside, we've introduced all new accessories. We have come up with body kits for your Toyotas, for your BMWs, Mercedeses. Let it be a facelift kit or an upgraded kit, we've got it all covered for you. So to stay tuned on what's happening at Rapanchine and in the automotive world, stay tuned, hit subscribe, and see you in the next video. Rapanchine's made the मालूम था इसलिए करना पड़ता